have AI write your script for you, go to Underlord in the top right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and in this right section, click Write a Script. And I'm having it write a script about YouTube live stream best practices. But in that starting point box, write whatever you want it to write about. You can give it a tone. Mine says funny, audience, internet nerds, but type whatever you want. And then choose a length, just type in a number. And if you want to give it any examples, like maybe it's examples of your writing or an author that you like, you could paste in some examples of sentences and that'll give it some training data. And then any other custom instructions you want, like be concise, be funny, tell jokes, whatever you want, you could put that in there. And then hit submit. It'll say Underlord is thinking, and wow, that happened almost instantly. It's already generating the response, and this does use ChatGPT. And there it is. There's my entire thing. I could hit this little copy button, and I could put that somewhere else. I could put that in a Word doc, or if I hit add to script, that puts it into my video project. If you like this one, be sure to watch this one next, where I'm going to show you how to turn this into an actual voice speaking this.